Retaining walls. Retaining walls are built to hold back soil and water from a downslope movement and erosion. First, we drill holes in the ground for the CAISSON. Next, we tie rebar cages and lower the rebar in the drilled holes. Concrete is then poured in the CAISSON. After that, excavation begins for the grade beam. A French drain is now placed behind the retaining wall, and a forming wall is erected. Next, the retaining wall is waterproofed. And a steel grade beam is placed and formed. Concrete is then poured into the grade beam. Now rebar is erected for the retaining wall. The SHOTCRETE method is used to construct the wall. And afterward, the stone wall is carved out by hand. Rebounded concrete is cleaned up afterward. And the retaining wall can now be backfilled with slurry. Lastly, the scaffolding is unassembled, and the finished retaining wall is complete. Homeowners that live in Los Angeles will use retaining walls for many protective reasons, but also for decorative and organizational purposes. Weinstein Construction will construct your retaining wall to meet all Los Angeles Department of Building and Safety codes. We will make sure your wall will look great and keep your property safe and functional. Call us today and get an inspection of your property to see if a retaining wall is just what you need.